On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me new vinyl.
All right, what we're doing today is we are replacing the vinyl on one of the ceiling panels in the V-berth. And the reason why we're doing that is because I'm putting lighting in here. This is our next project. And I have to put it over the vinyl. And one of the panels, the one way back here, has the old vinyl on it. This is all brand new vinyl that has the old vinyl. And we have, let's see, we have like rolls, like pre-cut rolls that we cut before we even left of vinyl. So we're just gonna pop that down, put the new vinyl on, staple it on, and then pop that back up. And then I can get on with doing the lights. Yeah, those are great. Yeah, I seen that on one of your live streams. Oh man, I need that. Okay, this vinyl was already cut. We had a big roll of it and we pre-cut a bunch of pieces we knew we were going to need. Fold that over and staple it down. I'm not going to get rid of all of these staples. They're just going to go up against the ceiling anyway, so it'll be fine. So I will do that. And I stapled all the vinyl to the board, and that's what it's going to look like when you're laying down looking up at it. You know, nice, smooth, clean vinyl, no extra holes or anything in it. So let's go put it up. Good, the panel's up and ready to install some lights, which I'll do tomorrow because obviously I've lost all my light for today, so I'll get it earlier start tomorrow and I'll put the lights up in the V-berth.
We hope that you will like and follow our Facebook and Instagram pages through the links below in the description. And also make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here so that the next time we put out a video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.